Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing my recipe on how to make coconut rice, authentic Nigerian coconut rice, and I hope you enjoy watching. My name is Oge and you're welcome to my kitchen. Let's get started. I'll be using 2 coconuts for today's rice recipe, and these are obviously the main ingredients. I'm using fresh and mature coconuts, and I highly recommend making your coconut rice with freshly squeezed coconut milk. That is, if you can lay your hands on them. The store-bought coconut milk have a very different taste. You can't compare that with the taste of freshly squeezed coconut milk. Your coconut rice will end up with a very unique flavor if you make it with freshly squeezed coconut milk. Not just any coconuts. You need mature coconuts to achieve the best result. So I highly recommend making your coconut rice with freshly squeezed matured coconuts. That is all you need to achieve the perfect Nigerian coconut rice. I've taken out the coconut from the shell and I'm in the process of cutting them up into smaller pieces. I'm doing this to make it easy for my blender, but feel free to cut into whatever sizes you prefer. It all depends on the strength of your blender. After cutting up the coconut, I'll proceed to wash it thoroughly. I'll wash this multiple times and then transfer into my blender, and I'll proceed to blend with enough water. If you're stopping by for the first time today, hello, a warm welcome to you. My name is Oge, a Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. Kindly consider subscribing if you're a foodie and you enjoy trying out new food recipes. Here on the channel, I have amazing food recipes that I'm sure you want to try out. So please do me a favor by smashing the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so you're among the first to get notified whenever I post new videos. I promise you love it here, and subscription is absolutely free. So what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. Thank you. And if you're already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for being a part of this amazing YouTube family. I know you're enjoying the videos so far, so please do well to give the video a thumbs up if you haven't done that already. Thank you. I always make sure to blend my coconuts with enough water to get enough coconut milk, and also for the blades of the blender to move freely. Coconut is quite hard and blending with very little water might spoil your blender, so I always recommend you add enough water. And I also blend until it is very smooth, until the chaff is like very soft. After blending, I transferred into my cheesecloth. I'll squeeze this to extract every drop of coconut milk in it. I really hope you like it here on the channel and you're enjoying the videos so far. Please take a moment to hit on the like button if you're yet to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. If you're someone that enjoys watching vlogs, especially lifestyle vlogs, then kindly check out my vlog channel at I am Oge Anyoko. I'm sure you enjoy watching the vlogs because they are entertaining, interesting, and engaging. I'm done squeezing out the milk from the coconut. I'll proceed to prepare the next ingredient, which is kpanla fish. It's called hake fish in English, but popularly known as kpanla fish here in Nigeria. This is dried kpanla fish, very dried. I'm adding hot water to it because it's very dried, and I'll let it sit in the hot water for a few minutes before proceeding to debone it off camera. Here are my finely prepped ingredients for today's coconut rice. I have my spices and I'm using salt, curry powder, which is totally optional, and all-purpose seasoning. I have my grounded crayfish, which is also optional. I have vegetable oil, my rice, finely chopped onion, deboned kpanla fish. Feel free to use any fish or protein of your choice. I also have my roughly blended peppers. You can also decide to blend yours into a smooth paste if that is what you prefer. And of course, my freshly squeezed coconut milk. I'll be using about 4 cups of rice for today's recipe, and I'll add the rice into my bowl, add some salt. I'll wash the rice multiple times until the water goes from cloudy to clear. I wash the rice for about 3 times because I don't want to parboil it, but this is my preference and it's totally optional. So feel free to parboil your rice if that is what you prefer. I'm done washing my rice, so let's get on with preparing this delicious delicacy. I've just gone in with cooking oil. This is vegetable oil. I'll let it heat up, and once it heats up, I'll go in with my chopped onion. I'll fry the onion for about 3 to 4 minutes until it becomes fragrant and crisp. You can tell that I'm using a lot of onion for this recipe. This is my preference, so this is totally optional. But I love adding onion into my meals, especially the meals that require onion. So after about 4 minutes, this is what it's looking like. I'll go in with my deboned standard fish and I'll fry this as well. I want it to soak up some of the flavors from the onion. This is 2 minutes later and it's coming on really well. It also smells amazing inside my kitchen. It's time to go in with my peppers. I'll add my roughly blended peppers, give that a good stir until it combines properly, and I'll continue to fry. There are different recipes on how to prepare coconut rice, Nigerian coconut rice, and this recipe is just one out of many. I have other coconut rice recipes here on the channel, so kindly check the description box for link to watch. I might also pin them in the comments. This has been frying for about 4 minutes now and it's ready to accept my spices, but I'll give it a quick stir before going in with my spices. I'll add my curry powder, salt, all-purpose seasoning cubes, grounded crayfish, and I'll stir properly. Feel free to season yours with your favorite spices. You can always add or take out from the spices that I use in my recipes. In goes my washed rice. I'll stir properly until they get to know each other really well, and then I'll go in with my coconut milk. For short videos, kindly check out my YouTube shorts, my Facebook reels, Instagram reels, and TikTok videos. I post videos that are a minute long or less on these platforms. So if you're someone that do not have the patience for long form content here on YouTube, kindly check out my pages on other social media platforms. I can promise you, you will love the recipes. I post very delicious and easy food recipes that I'm sure you'd want to try out. So I've just gone in with my coconut milk. I'll give that a very good stir, cover the pot, and allow the rice to cook slowly. This is a gentle reminder to subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed here. We'd love to have you join this amazing YouTube family, so please hit on the subscribe button to be a part of us. Thank you. After cooking on low heat for about 15 minutes, I present to you this delicious pot of Nigerian coconut rice. Guys, what do you think of this rice recipe? Is this something you want to try out? Let me know down in the comments. A delicious pot of coconut rice is ready and it's time to dish and serve this yummy goodness. We've come to the end of this video and I hope you enjoyed watching. Kindly like the video to get it to a wider reach. Share it out to your loved ones. Leave me your comments in the comment section and please subscribe to the channel if you're yet to do so. Thank you all for stopping by and I would love to see you all in my next one. Bye.